This is Angie from VRAcademi, and let's see how we can rotate an object in Tinkercad. So I will change the project name and make it rotation, and I will grab cylinder, put it in my grid or work plane, change the height, and now in order to rotate it, you can see these semicircles around it. So you can rotate this cylinder from 3 different dimensions. I want to rotate it horizontally, so I will use this semicircle, and I have 3 options in order to do it. If I try to rotate it by putting my mouse inside the circle, it is rotated by 22.5 degrees each time. If I try to rotate it by putting my mouse in the inner circle that you see here, then it is rotated by 1 degree each time. Another way to rotate an object is to click on the circle and then write the exact degree that I want to rotate it. Now, if I want to place my object on the work plane, I will have to drop it to the work plane, and this is done by pressing the key D in my keyboard. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.